Lección número 5 del Space de Speaking English número 6. Color. Colorea. Point to the carpenter. Carpenter. Carpintero. Very good. Circle the two that are the same. Circle the two that are the same. Circula los dos que son lo mismo. Lo mismo. The same. Very good. Now, point to 58. 58. 58. Point to the ant. The ant. La hormiga. Point to the saw. The saw. El cerrojo. Cuchillo. Point to the nail. Nail. Clavo. Point to the rope. The rope. Rope. Cuerda. Very good. Now, find and circle. Find this, encuentra estos, and circle them, y circúlalos. Here is the rope. Here is the ant. Here is the number 58. Now, point to the rope. The rope. Point to the ant. The ant. Point to the hammer. Hammer. Martillo. Hammer. Point to the grasshopper. Grasshopper. Saltamontes. Point to the nail. Nail. Point to the stick. Stick. Palo. Stick. Palo. Point to the 57. 57. Point to the 58. 58. Point to the screw. Screw. Tornillo. Screw. Tornillo. Point to the saw. Saw. Very good. Circle the one that is different. Circula el que es diferente. Now, point to the stick. Point to the stick. Palo. Stick. Palo. Point to the 51. 51. Point to the 57. 57. Point to the screw. The screw. Point to the grasshopper. Grasshopper. Saltamontes. Point to the hammer. Hammer. Very good.